Assalamualaikum. Hi guys, today I'm gonna tell you how to insert page numbers and header in Microsoft Word easily.
Stick around, I'll show you how. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon as I upload informative videos every week.
So simply you need to click on this insert button, and after clicking it here you will see this option header and footer. This is the block header and footer. You will search this block and then you will click on page number. So after you click on page number, you can see there are several options which you can use if you want bottom of the page, or if you want on the top of the page, or wherever in the margins, wherever you want. So usually we use in the top of the page number, or either bottom. So right now I'm using it in the top of the page, and I want that nicely the page and 1 2 3 is written. So I click on this and you see it's page 1, and if I click close header, so you see this is the page 1. So if I go to another page, automatically it will insert the page number. Now what if I want to write something here also? So what I will do, I will just press the backspace from my keyboard, and if I want to write anything, for example, this is my evidence test. So I will just write evidence test, press the tab button and then close. So this, how many pages I have, all the pages will have page numbers and evidence test written on it. So like this you can add anything in the header, and same thing you can do with the footer also. If you double click down place, you can see it's a footer, and you can also write anything here, and then obviously it will appear on all the pages. If you double click outside, it will appear on all the pages. I hope this video is helpful for you. If it is, give it a like, subscribe my channel.